Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fish gun easy. We'll cover the simple steps to construct a basic, effective fish gun using readily available materials. This guide focuses on a straightforward, do-it-yourself approach, ensuring you can build your own fishing tool without complex machinery. We'll walk through material selection, assembly, and crucial safety tips, making the process accessible for everyone. Get ready to create a practical device for your fishing adventures. To begin, gather your materials. You'll need a sturdy PVC pipe, roughly 2 feet in length, which forms the main body of your fish gun. For propulsion, secure about 3 feet of robust rubber tubing. Your spear will be a sharpened metal rod, approximately 18 inches long. Don't forget essential tools like a drill for making holes, a saw for cutting the pipe, and a strong adhesive to ensure everything stays securely in place. These items are readily available at most hardware stores. Now, let's assemble your fish gun. First, cut your PVC pipe to a comfortable length, usually around 24 inches. Next, drill 2 small holes near one end of the pipe, opposite each other. These holes are for securely attaching the rubber tubing. Thread the tubing through and tie it firmly, creating a powerful sling. Finally, devise a simple trigger or release pin mechanism near the other end to hold and release your spear effectively. Ensure all connections are very strong. Safety is paramount when using your homemade fish gun. Always perform a thorough inspection for any wear or damage before each use. Crucially, never point a loaded fish gun at anything you do not intend to shoot, and always be aware of your surroundings. Practice in a safe, open area to become proficient with its operation. When not in use, store your fish gun unloaded and in a secure location to prevent accidental discharge and maintain its longevity. Be responsible and enjoy your fishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.